Envestnet did this study a few years ago, and what they found out is, and what they were trying to find out was what kind of value add you had from different financial services from advisors. And when you look at the title of the chart, it says Annual Value Add BPS. And what BPS basically means is basis points. And what a basis point is it's 1/100th of a percent. So for example, 100 basis points would equal 1%. 50 basis points would equal a half a percent. So when you look at these different services that are provided by financial advisors, starting on the left side, the first bar is financial planning. So if you have an investment consultant or advisor that's in addition providing financial planning services, that can bring another 50 basis points, or about a half a percent, to your bottom line after-tax return beyond not having financial planning. But look, Danny, at what tax management can add to the portfolio. It can add 100 basis points on an annual basis, or about 1% net return after taxes. So that's a big amount, and that's why we're talking about taxes today. When you look at comprehensive planning as a whole, where an advisor or advisory firm is providing all these services across the board, you can see that the value of comprehensive planning can increase the return on investment by up to 2.96%, which is a big, in my opinion, big after-tax benefit for clients out there. And the study also indicated that investors actually value tax management above all else from their financial advisors.
Take care of your family.
And we'll take care of you. We're ready for the future.